Everybody keep thinking that I don't know why people keep thinking that they're better than me. Better than me in go kart racing, right? So I'm steady having to prove to people that I am literally the best at what I do. And there is no other. So we got this boy Hakeem here. Homeboy swear he better than me, but he about to find out today. And my baby in the back seat. Alright. I'm about to have to prove to these guys what it really is. And who is the owner of this? Who runs it? You feel me? Alright, see there?
Show it to you.
Just reach.
RPM. I don't know if you can see it properly. RPM Raceway.
You know you can set this one out, huh? Hakeem, you're not winning.
You second place.
You're not winning, Hakeem. It's that simple.
Doshi in third place.
Bashir.
I like how y'all just count out the girls.
I'm not counting
That's
out.
beautiful.
So,
that's nice.
first of all, Kishan can't ride a bicycle.
That's true.
That's one. You barely know how to ride a bicycle.
I can ride a bike.
Barely.
And I can drive, sorta.
$2.50 for this fucking shit.
Watch your mouth.
$2.54.
Yeah, no, Mr. White.
Yeah.
$2.50.
Can't believe that shit.
You ready to lose?
I'm not losing.
We're all gonna be a non-licensed speaker.
You ready to lose?
Kiss, you ready to lose?
No, I'm ready to win. I was born to win.
Oh, you know. Alright, so
Talk a lot of shit.
Let's go, cause I'm winning.
Talk a lot of shit.
And we bringing y'all along for this race too, cause I got my GoPro. So y'all gonna see firsthand.
That you lose.
You're gonna see firsthand. You're gonna see me pass that finish line first.
That you lose.
All right.
Where's that?
What that shit?
Yo, no, Mr. White, you want to try?
It's loud as hell in here. Look at this. Yo, you start. Oh. Hakeem, I'm winning. That's all I'm saying. Watch it. I got my GoPro. We're winning this. I got this. Alright, alright.
Looks like it's a big guy.
you win? Who is it? Is score came up yet?
Wave King.
Who the heck?
Man, listen. Hakeem won the first round, right? But we got one more. We got one more round. We got one more. We paid for 2 races. Hakeem won the first round by accident. Just the best, bro. I wasn't concentrating. I'm winning the next one. Listen, he came fourth. He came fourth. Keisha came.
Guess what?
Keisha
I came last, but guess what? I'm a safe driver, okay?
Sophia got scared and had to take her off
That's
the
a
track.
lie. I stopped.
One more time, but one more time. I'm winning the next one. I'm winning the next one.
Cause this nigga actually think he's the shit. This nigga squeeze me past me. This nigga's like,
I'm winning the next one. I'm winning the next one. Trust me. I got this.
yo, make him.
Huh? What's that? What? Nigga, I'm coming in first. Alright.
No.
You're not winning.
Go baby.
Oh boy. You drive dirty as hell, nigga.
Wait, 16, you gotta wait. You gotta wait, there's more cars coming. You gotta wait.
This guy drive dirty, man. Hakeem drive dirty. I don't know how he's winning.
Dirty ass guy. Dirty guy.
Hakeem, you're the most hated on the track. I hope you know that.
Yes.
The most hated on the track.
That was a tight race. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me Hakeem won again. This is crazy.
He's a thief.
Hakeem won again.
We don't know yet.
Crazy.
We don't know yet. Let's find out.
Once we feel him behind me, we the fucking park.
You guys were like tail to tail, like back to back.
Hold on.
Where is it?
Ah, he just got win again.
Come on.
Bring me 4 seconds. Oh my God.
What's your name?
Why is your name Daddy?
Oh, you came third.
That's just like, it's not a big margin.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna give it to Hakeem this time. Just this time.
Win again.
This time. Alright, take this off, baby. Take this off me, please.
And next time, I'm
It's
win
not
again.
win.
Yeah, if you see people in the way moving slow, bump them out.
You go, Keisha.